Aloha and welcome to the Crypto and Stock Market Futures Trading Channel. I'm Digital Micro, and this is the Digital Micro Trading Journal for December 2nd, 2021. Okay, traders, it's all about performance, and let's look at the benchmarks on the three major things that I trade are the MES S&P 500, the M2K Russell 2000, and Bitcoin. On the far right, we starting December in the red for the S&P, almost down 1%, and then the Russell worst minus 2.56%. So that's not good. How do we do that? With the first day of the month, you usually wanted to see an up day with institutional buyers, and that did not happen. As I made this recording, we're into Europe Globex, and again, we're in the red here starting for December 2nd, Globex. And then the Bitcoin at 56,812 at the time of this recording, 4.84%. So that's your leader here, holding up much better than the other two. So we've got the Thursday session and we've got the Friday session. I've strung together for the fun, basically, some base hits. And what I don't want to do is have it all erased because I've got some red. So I'm playing it very cautiously. The trade plan is light on sides for Thursday, currently 100% cash and day trade account for the MES and Russell. So no trades until we open in New York. And then on Bitcoin, I am long both on the day trade portion and on the longer term savings portions. I will see what happens here in the next 24 hours. If Bitcoin can go from 56.8 to 58.4, that's my price target. I want to go to the charts now. Let's look at S&Ps because that's what I've been trading since we've been increasing the range of the bars. So I am going to be more focused on that for Thursday, and then I will wrap it up with the Bitcoin charts, both on a monthly, 24-hour, and a 120. So let's go to the charts. Let's look at the S&P 500 micros left to. We start with the 24-hour chart, and we have 5 straight days on a lower Bollinger Band ride or compression on the upper and lower Bollinger Band. Usually compression means there's going to be an expansion. We just can't predict the direction. Clearly, early December 2nd, Globex, the direction's down. Note the middle Bollinger on this 24-hour is at the 46.54 level. So bulls got a huge amount of work to do in December if they want a Santa rally because price needs to close above it. Again, close, not touch it and then drive down. They've got to go up, and that's a tall order, it looks like, right now on price action wise. The RSI is a 40.01. That's not necessarily oversold, but my point is buy the dip's not really working here. And on a December 1st, where institutional buyers were supposed to step in and give a lift, that's not worked out. Let's go to the middle chart on the 120. This is a bigger bar down on the close of December 1st, and notice in Globex, this looks like a dead cat bounce. I just got to tell you, I did scalp some longs because I made a stupid mistake trying to buy a falling catching knife the last 30 minutes of the RTH on the first, and got out in the escape hatch, and I'm just sitting in cash waiting for the RTH now because I'm not a believer in this. What I want to point out, too, on both of these charts is the opening range for December 1st. You always want to note the opening range, and December 1st is way up here. And so that's not happening for price for a while. And I wouldn't want to bet on it in this week because Friday's the non-farm payrolls. And then the third chart on the right is the reason I'm in cash. You can't see one Keltner in blue on the upper end been touched yet in Globex. So that's making me think here too much of a struggle. But at the same time, the lower blue Keltner, since we have been closed from the RTH, and we're in the Globex. Price is stabilized in the middle, but no diddle in the middle. We want extremes on volatility on either side of these Keltner blues on the lower, blue on the above, and that's not happening. So that's a big hands off. So all in all here, not a healthy start for S&P 500. I'm going to be very cautious. I've got a decent week going, full of base hits, and what I don't want to do is on Thursday and Friday and give it back. And I've been known to do that and then wind out with the lower base hit. And what I'm trying to do is make this possibly a double play for this week. So let's go to the Bitcoin chart. Okay, Bitcoin, 3 charts, left to right. Monthly on the left, we started a very small December range bar. And what you really want to extrapolate out of this is we have a hard resistance in red above this, and we're nowhere near breaking through. The other thing is the November anchored volume weighted average price is 59,682. Bulls pound sand, if they can't get price to hold above it, not just touch it and break below it. We're not there. Red arrow shows us where we are. December 2nd, Thursday, Globex. So next chart, 24-hour chart, that is the upper Bollinger Band plunging down, pointed down, almost vertical down, and the mid Bollinger Band, same thing here. That is pointed down. And look at this October 1st anchored VWAP. This has so clearly been the resistance line. Look at how these red arrows point to where candle bodies and candle wicks, even yesterday session on December 1st, hit it and could not go through it. So what is that price? $59,000 currently, $45. $59,045 is hard resistance, and middle Bollinger Band is now below it. So middle Bollinger Band is 58,626. So definitely want to see how we do on Thursday. If we can touch that, I'm going to do some business, possibly that price, 58.4, 58.3, 58.5. I'm very interested in doing some business there. And then on the 120 on the right, that's our wrap-up chart for Bitcoin. This is compression happening on these Bollinger Bands. So I am a bit concerned here that we are going to have a price break, and I just hope it's not lower. So you can see here we've touched upper, we've touched lower in the last 24-hour cycle. So right now we're close to the middle Bollinger Band, which is 57,259. Bulls need to get some bars above it so they can break through the upper Bollinger Band, which sits at 58,215. So there you have it. If you are looking for long-term, basically an estimate here, we got nothing happening for the end of the year unless bulls really are going to conquer this big red horizontal resistance. And for traders that are trading, you've got the spots with these smaller time frame charts, the 24-hour and the 120. So I know for me, I'm going to trade a much larger portion now of my Bitcoin, and I'm going to keep holding long for the long haul, a smaller allocation. So I'm long. I'm never going to be shorting ever, but I just want to be a little more actively managing this portfolio. So thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe, hit the so I can keep making these videos. And until next time, aloha, take care. Aloha and welcome to the Crypto and Stock Market Futures Trading Channel. Aloha and Aloha and welcome to the Crypto and Stock Market Futures Trading Channel. I'm Digital Micro, and this is the Digital Micro Trading Journal for December 2nd, 2021.